Ever wonder why your music demos don't sound like the tracks you listen to from your favourite artist? Well, I'm about to let you into a little secret about people who use magic. In this day and age, it's so important that you don't get left behind when it comes to getting your music heard. You need to do everything in your power to present your offering as best you can. Mastering your music is the very first step. What is mastering? Mastering is taking your stereo music track and enhancing certain frequencies, controlling others, compressing and exciting, and generally molding your mixed master into the best representation of that mix within the context of the grouping of the other tracks, your album. Traditionally, when you finished recording your album, you sat in the studio and created your master tracks for that album. At that point, you had a bunch of individual tracks that sounded great within the context of its own mix, but might not bear much relation to the next track on the album. Time to get the mastering engineer in to make the album sound like it belonged together as a close-knit family. The dark arts of the mastering engineer are a skill little known to mortal beings. But whatever they are at, the results speak for themselves. Full respect to them, and I'd suggest that if you could ever find yourself in a position of needing to hire one, do it. There are websites that'll master your tracks for a couple of bucks. Be warned, the results are at best just okay. They do not take into consideration the music or your vision for your tracks. They're only files to them. If you fancy giving it a go yourself, and who knows your music better than you, why not try a software package that covers a lot of what you need to do to enhance your mixes. Software will allow you to get the job done without having to invest in tons of outboard gear. IK Multimedia have a package of everything you need in a bundle called T-Racks. See what they did there? This is old school, with every type of unit you may need to master any type of music available in a standalone application. And you also have each unit available to you as plugins in your favourite editor or DAW. There's everything you could possibly need in the main application, with all the units, the meters, and an assembly window to master and compile your complete album. Then export your tracks, ready for upload. Another amazing piece of kit that'll save you lots and lots of time is Ozone by Izotope. This is their mastering package. It's a very clever piece of kit with different modules to enhance your final tracks. There are two lovely features that I adore in this package. One is the reference section, where it'll sample the overall mastering of one of your favourite songs and apply the same settings to your track. Though you do have to be realistic when it comes to choosing the reference track. Don't have a crazy bass-heavy mind melt track for a comparison to your lovely jangly guitar ode to your first crush. The other feature I like is the Master Assist. It applies the most favourable process to your track for streaming or CD, and even that reference track. It automatically analyses your tracks and processes them appropriately. You end up with a really good foundation from where to continue the process of mastering your tracks. A simple, intuitive interface that lets you get the best from your tracks, if you're not confident about your traditional skills as a mastering engineer. After all the hard work is done, you'll need to upload to your favourite music platform. These platforms work to specific levels and use different algorithms. So how do you know that your beautifully mastered album will sound as you intended? Well, this is where a very clever plugin from Nugen steps in. It's called MasterCheck. You put it on your master out, and you can monitor your tracks as if you were listening to them through Spotify or YouTube or any music platform you wish. As you're listening, you can tweak your mastering to suit. Essential. Your music deserves the best. Make it the best it can be, and then make it even better by mastering. When done right, it'll make your track soar above the rest. I'm Keith Alexander, and you've been watching Adorama TV. Don't forget to subscribe to Adorama TV for more great videos. And tell us what you think. You can like, comment or share this video, and please come by the Adorama Learning Centre for more great information and advice.